Ooh, I'm so excited. The new trumpet from Prozone's just arrived. Yeah, so this is a Vincent Bach 180-37 Stradivarius trumpet, which when I was growing up was the must-have trumpet. Never had one. One of those things that had a love-hate relationship. When I had to stay and go and do business studies at university, all my friends went off to music college, and with a bit of pressure from my parents wanting me to keep trumpet and music as a hobby rather than a profession, I really was jealous and envious of all my friends that came back with these, because it was the go-to trumpet that you had when you were at music college or joined a band. It was either this or an old recording. I've already got an old recording, but I just thought I should have one of these to see what all the fuss was about. So, oh, it's an odd shaped case, really deep compared to a normal trumpet case. Yeah. So there it is, silver Vincent Bach trumpet. Doesn't appear to come with anything other than the keys for the case, some silica gel, and I shall get my mouthpiece out and give it a go. So there it is. Wow, silver, looks in excellent condition. Standard lead pipe. I can't wait to play it. So that is the Bach Stradivarius. Wow. There we go.